What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you're having a wonderful day. We have a really nice setup coming up in the market here, guys. We have a really strong rally that's happening overnight on futures. So I am in a few swing trades that I want to talk about, and then I want to talk about the market outlook as well as some awesome deals that we have coming up for the holidays. And just get you ready for the rest of the week, and let's try to bank as much as we can. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right. So what do you guys want to start off with first, Tesla or SPY? Hit me with the 1 for Tesla. Hit me with the 2 for SPY. Let's go ahead and just let everybody know we're live. 1 second here. So hit me with the 1 for Tesla. Hit me with the 2 for SPY. I do this live now. Market outlook and big seminar. Let's get that in there, guys. All right. I don't know why it's saying this. Okay. So try that again. Nope. So try that post one more time. There we go. I don't know what's going on with my Twitter, guys. Okay. So discard this. I'm just gonna hit that quote tweet right here. And then do it like that. All right. There we go. Okay. All right, my friends. So let's start off with Tesla. And let's go ahead and I'll walk you guys through this setup right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some Fibonacci plays. I'm going to talk to you about what I took and talk about what I think is next. So I took Tesla calls. We got in yesterday for 6:18. So we took right here, guys. This is from my broker. Took one of the 240 calls with December 15th expiry. And I got in at $6.18. You can see the average price right here. Okay. And this is a part of our Fibonacci Society, which is a lifetime access. I'm going to talk to you guys about in a second. We're doing a pretty sweet deal. And today they went to a high of 1070 for about 70% return. So it did come back down from there. But let me show you what the setup was. Okay. So how many of you are familiar with the dragon? Hit me with the 3. Are you familiar with the Fibonacci dragon? And I'm going to walk you through that setup right now. Okay. So on Tesla, what I noticed here is we have this gap. Okay. And we had this long wick candle back on the 17th of November. Okay. So I ended up taking this trade yesterday. So let's talk about the analysis to that point, and I can show you guys. So here's the gap. Here's that long wick anchor. The first thing that I do is I try to see, is there Fibonacci in town? Okay. So if I take the Fibonacci here from the low, bring it up to the high right here, you can see here, guys, that there was a 618 pullback last week. And if I double click and I put the full extension on, what you'll also notice here, guys, it's a perfect 50% extension. All right. So here's the question now. So we have this move, push up, come back down to the 618, trade to the extension. Okay. So what can we expect now? What can we expect? Do you guys think there's some bulls left in that bought this algo 226.53 back in Friday, November 17th? Hit me with a 10. What do you guys think? So do you think that this area here, another way to put it, let's take this rectangle tool, wherever it is. Do you think this area right here, where we previously found buyers, can we find buyers again? Well, that's the basic concept of support and resistance, right? Well, we had previous buyers here, and they might try again. So how do we execute the trade? Well, what I do, guys, is I take the anchor and I move it to the new high, and this creates the dragon. Okay, this creates the second 618, which is right here. All right, let me fast forward. Boom. All right. And what it looks like, if we take the advanced legs, we go from low to high, pull back, new high, 618 completion right there. Okay. So right there on the exactly the 618, I put in the order to buy calls. Okay. And I can show you guys how to do that all automated. All right. Hit me with a 5 if you'd be interested in that guy. I'll show you how to do it automated. You can set it up the night before. You can set it up the week before. So you already know that when the price touches that level, you want to buy the calls. Okay. And let me hit me with 5 if you want that. Drop a like. Okay. So from there, the whole reason that I want to buy calls with this setup is because I'm getting a discount. I'm getting a pullback. So I'm buying 62% off of the high. Off of the last move, I'm waiting for 62% pullback to me. So that way I get the best deal. Okay. That's the whole point. I want to buy calls on the way down. I want to buy puts when it's on the way up. And I'm not always going to be right, but I'm setting myself up for the most possible risk to reward. So in this case, guys, this pop that we had today was almost 100% return. So what if this thing wants to rip through? It doesn't have to, but let's just say it rips through. Then we're starting to make 4 times our money, 5 times our money, 6 times our money, etc. And that's what I love using options with the Fibonacci, because the Fibonacci is a pullback style of trading. So hit me with the 17 if that makes sense. Okay. So I'm still holding those calls. And I just want to point this out, guys, in the stocks Fibonacci Dragon setup. This was the first trade we took together. This was Tesla, the first one. So I just opened this room last week, and you could see yesterday was our first trade. I'm long 240 calls Tesla, December 15th at 6:18, and that was at 11:40 yesterday. And I'm doing step by step to walk everyone through, and I also add voice notes in there. Okay, so I have something special for you guys right now if you're interested. So for the rest of this month, I decided to do a really great sale. Okay, so you're going to be blown away here. So the Fibonacci Society Power of the 618, that's all these channels here. It also comes with the Fibonacci book. You can download it in the Discord, or I'll send it to your email. And we're doing the holiday sale. Okay, so check this out, guys. For a one-time cost of $100, you're going to get lifetime access to the Fibonacci Society right here. And the Fibonacci Society not only has the stock option lottos, it also has the SPY option lottos, and it also has the futures swing trades with ES and also NQ. So it's a very, very sweet deal. I'm trying to get as much people as we can to jump on the Fibonacci train going into next year. And I really want to challenge you guys to do the 50 trade challenge with me in the Discord. Okay, so we're going to track 50 trades together. We're going to look at the win rates, the probabilities, and it's going to be a fun time. All right, so if you guys are interested, that'll be until the end of this month, $100, lifetime access, and it comes with the book, which comes with all my broker statements for these trades that I took over 46 trades here. This follows the journey with video recordings, very good video and very good book. Check out this recording over here if you want to learn more about that book. All right, hit with the 7 if you guys think that's a good idea. Why did you choose the strike and time frame? Swing trade is the hourly chart for me, and the strike 2 weeks out gives me enough time for the trade to play out, because every candle is 1 hour. So I'm going to need a good bit of time. So 2 weeks is a good time frame for these hourly bars to play out. Okay, so I think 1 week is a little bit too short, and I always just do one strike out of the money from my entry. Okay, 100 for one-time fee. That's it for lifetime. Okay. So I'm not gonna keep this lifetime offer forever, but I'm really trying to build a lot of people into this new Fibonacci Society we have and try to build a stronger. I think we have about 150 people or so. I want to really grow that number. It's a great community. All we do is Fibs. So it's really for those Fibonacci enthusiasts. Okay. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you a little bit of a new strategy that I'm working on, intraday Fibonacci into swing trades. And I'm going to talk about something that is a little bit crazy. And I'm going to, hey, Margot, I just got a free. Yeah, so Margot, so if anybody that bought it for the $150, they got extra perks. So if you bought it for the $150 before, you also got 2 months or 1 month, depending on when you bought it, in the SPY section right here. So this is our live alerts room for SPY every day. And that's what I'm going to talk about right now. All right, so let's do it. Okay, so what we did today, guys, is we took a day trade on SPY. All right, so I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, so if I go here to the Fibonacci live setups, you'll see we got filled long at 11.19 today, and then we hit our target at 11.32. And what I ended up doing today, guys, is I combined the higher time frame with the lower time frame to try to multiply my gains. So this is what we call time frame alignment. Okay, so this is going to be something that might be a little bit different for you, but I want to show you because I'm looking at exploring different ways to make more money really at the end of the day. Okay, so hit me with the 3 if you're excited. I'm going to hit the replay right here. All right. So we have ES. This is live right now, and this is SPY. Okay, so let's just let that load up. And I'm going to go to the 5-minute chart, and I'm going to walk you through the trade today. All right. Hit the replay right here. Okay. So here is the first 5-minute candle of the day. And then we have these first, half an hour of pretty much chop. And then right here, guys, we have this big algo candle. Like this is a massive candle right here, right? You could see. So this came in at 10 o'clock. So for the first half an hour of the day, we're kind of small candles. We're going sideways, okay? So once this candle comes in here, guys, what direction is that? Is that bearish or is that bullish? Hit me with the 1 for bullish. Hit me with the 2 for bearish. What direction is this pointing to? So the most important thing you'll see in the book right here, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci. The most important thing is identifying the dominant direction of the day. That's the hardest part, okay? Identifying when there's a clear direction, okay? So obviously here, this is bullish. So based on the intraday price action, what I'm going to do is look to buy a pullback because I'm not going to buy it right here, okay? I'm not going to do that because if you chase up there and you're wrong, you're going to blow up your account. You won't have an account, okay? So what we do is we start to draw the Fibonacci from the low to the high like this. And we're just looking for pullbacks. We're looking for pullbacks, okay? So here we go. Push, 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 okay? Does not touch the 618, does not touch the 618, okay? So right here, guys, I thought we were done for the day. So I'm going to hop into the Discord. So you'll see I posted a voice note right up here, and this was right around 11:10, and I thought we weren't going to get filled on the day because you could see that it was just trending to the upside. However, we continue to just move our anchor, and we have our 618. Okay, move our anchor, and we have our 618. Now watch this, boom. Okay, again, you just move that up, and then we're looking for the 618 again, new high. Just keep moving it up. Keep moving it up. All right. And then bang, bang, boom, right there. Look at that. 15 minutes. We retraced 62%. That's 11:15. We retraced 62% of that move that took like an hour and a half. Okay. Hit me with the 10 if you're following me. That's wild, right? That's what we think about it logically. You took so long to get up. Let's see how much points this is. About $3, okay? To move $3, not even $3, $2.70. It took you an hour and a half, okay? And in 15 minutes, you retraced 62% of that, $1.65. So we had our order waiting, okay? And you can see right here, Fibonacci live setups. We get filled at 11:19. Now watch what happens for the rest of the day. So we went sideways for the rest of the day. We ended the day up, okay? But I'm only up about $500 or $600 at that point. So now the question is, should we swing trade this or not? Hit me with the 1 if you think yes. Hit me with the 2 if you think no. So in reality, no one knows if you should swing trade, right? Like there's no crystal ball. However, this is why I decided to take this day trade and swing trade it. Okay, so I'm going to go to futures now. All right. So we ended up getting long right on this candle, okay? So right on this 12 o'clock, this is the futures market. And what you noticed here, guys, if you look at Tuesday, there's this little bit of this double bottom price action that happened overnight, a little bit of a double bottom price action right here. So we can draw that like that. You see that right there? So when I'm getting filled in this wick, that wick is filling me on the 5-minute chart. Now I'm saying, okay, I'm in, and I could have this double bottom support below me. That's where my max stop loss is. But what's my upside? My upside is all of this. This is all my upside up here. Okay, that's all my upside all the way up there. And that's why I decided to hold it, because I'm trying to incorporate what's going on the bigger time frame. If we were already, for example, if on the higher time frame I was already up here, then there's no need for me to try to swing that, because I might just be getting greedy. Okay, hit me with the 11 if that makes sense. However, I got filled down here. I got filled on that wick. As that wick is building, my entry is being triggered right here. So now we're using time frame alignment. Okay, so right now, guys, that trade, let me go ahead. I'll open up the broker. So on this trade, I'm up $903. So this trade is risk-free at this point, meaning stop loss should be at break even. Okay, because we already went through the hard part, which is basically making the decision to hold it overnight. And I'm going to go ahead and I'll draw the intraday for you on the futures. Okay, so here is 930 right here, and I'll draw it. There's my 618 fill right here. Okay, so this is kind of wild, because now if we go to the hourly, look at this. Look how this works. So here's the hourly chart. Within these bars, there's a 618 in the bar. There's a 618 on the hourly chart. There's also a 618 within the bar itself. Hit me with the 5 if you see what I'm saying. That in itself is wild, because each one of these bars can have multiple 618 trades in the bar. Okay, and then if you go to the daily chart, you can see even hundreds and hundreds of more of 618 trades within the bar, because it's fractal in nature, meaning the same patterns that are playing out on the higher time frames are also playing out on the lower time frames. Okay, that's just mind-blowing. But the key is we want to put ourselves in a situation where we're going to capitalize the most. So today, I believe I put myself in the best situation to capitalize by taking this day trade into a swing trade. And at the very least on this trade, I should end up with break even. So I'm going to risk about $1,000, close to $1,000 of paper money, basically, because it's unrealized gains right now. So it's until I close the trade, it's not my $1,000. Okay, so it's unrealized, but I'm willing to risk that for the potential to squeeze higher. All right. And now, while we're here on the hourly chart, so you could see all week we've been trending to the downside. So this is from Sunday, this is futures. It's been going down. We're put in the double bottom now. Okay. The double bottom is a classical, powerful pattern. And you can not only see that this double bottom, this has been going on for a long time. So this area, you know, the 45, 50 to 60s have been very powerful support. So the question is now, is this the final bottom before the rocket ship higher? And I'm hoping the answer is yes. All right. Maybe with the 25, that all makes sense. And that's all I'm doing, guys. I'm putting myself in a position to make as much money as I can. That's all I can do, whether you're right or you're wrong. If you're taking the chances and opportunities, if your risk to reward is in a good spot, you're going to have a high chance to make money. But the moment you start chasing pennies and risking dollars, you're not going to be able to succeed, because you have to be perfect. And even if you're perfect, you could still lose money if you're betting $1 and only making 10 cents. Okay. All right. So there it is, guys. So that's the plans for tomorrow. And like I said, I hope you guys are liking this deal right here. I just put this together today for you guys. Tradingwars.com. You can sign up. And yeah, I also updated the bundle deal. So for anyone that wants to commit to everything that I have, so these are 4 books I've written in my career with Trading Wars, and 4 great books. Anyone can attest to them. These are real trades, real charts, broker statements in the new book. Really, really nice. Okay. So I have my new bundle deal. It also comes with a one-on-one coaching with me, lifetime access to the Fib Society, plus 1 year in the SPY. I think it's a sweet deal. And you get the one-on-one for $7.99. So 50% off, 55% off, actually. If you guys are interested, check that out. So that's a little bit more longer term. So I think those are 2 great deals for the holidays. And yeah, That's it, guys. So wish me luck on this. I hope I wake up tomorrow and the roof is blown up. But if it's not, I'll just take my break even and I'll just walk away. I mean, don't take trading personally. It's just like flipping a coin. You're gonna hit it sometimes and you're not. When you hit it, you better make as much money as you can. Okay? All right. So I want to do a lifetime Discord giveaway on this post I did on Tesla today, but I didn't even give it 24 hours. So normally I give the post 24 hours in order for people to be eligible, because I feel like I didn't get to enough people. So I'm just going to post this here for you guys and I'll announce the winner tomorrow. Okay. So I want to give you guys enough time to comment. So make sure you comment. So I'll be doing a lifetime giveaway tomorrow. And hopefully I'm here with some good news for you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I made some money. Okay. So I hope to see you guys in the Discord. Check me out, tradingwars.com. Like I said, comment, like, subscribe, my friends. A lot of giveaways for the holiday season. So show your support and I'll show mine. All right. Have a great, wonderful day.